With more, good morning, Dina.
Oh my goodness, you all are in for a treat. We are standing in front of one of the stealthiest aircraft in the country. This is the F-35 stealth fighter. It is impressive, and I have the pilot. This is a rare opportunity to interview one of the pilots of one of these with us to tell us more about what this piece of equipment does with our military. We have Dojo Olson with us this morning. Good morning.
Thanks for having us.
Oh my gosh, thank you for being here. Okay, so first, let's just tell everyone what this piece of equipment does.
Yeah, the F-35A stealth fighter jet is the most advanced fighter jet on the planet right now. We're going to fly it all weekend here for you guys in Sacramento. We're super excited. But it's a fifth-generation fighter, so it delays detection by the enemy, so the enemy can't see you, and you can see everything out there. So it just makes it very easy to tactically employ this airplane.
Absolutely. And talk about, I mean, when you're up in the air, this thing goes fast. It has a big engine. Talk about some of the statistics with this.
Yeah, so 1,200 miles per hour, Mach 1.6, so way over the speed of sound.
Wow.
We'll keep it just below the speed of sound this weekend, though. You'll see us do flybys at 750 miles an hour, 200 feet off the ground. Okay. And it's got the biggest motor ever put in a fighter. So 43,000 pounds of thrust motor. You're gonna see the afterburner and you're gonna feel it.
Yeah, and he tells me, oh, it's just like driving a car. It's so easy. No problem. 9 Gs, I can do that in my sleep. It's amazing what you do. Also, the maintenance is really important on these because if this thing wasn't upkept, you wouldn't be able to do your job, right?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a Ferrari on steroids. So the maintenance that goes into this is incredible to keep us in the air every day. And he can talk about all of that.
Let's go ahead and bring in, we've got Martin Carey, who is the person who helps to do the maintenance on these. So what's this like versus working on another fighter jet that would be going up in the air?
So, Lockheed engineers really took consideration on maintenance on this jet. It's actually super easy to work on. I came from an A-10, so the transition to this was super simple. Yeah. It took about maybe a month to learn the jet, and that was it.
All right, well, thank you guys both so much. Real quickly, before we let you go, you're going to be a part of the Heritage flight, right? So what exactly will you guys be doing when you're up in the air?
Yeah, that's right. So we'll be out there by ourselves to show off the F-35 first, and then I'm going to rejoin with the Pt.3 Lightning I from World War II, 1940s airplane, and we're going to be 18 inches away from each other, flying in really close formation together with planes that are 70 years apart in technology.
Oh, my gosh. So amazing. Well, thank you so much for giving us the time, and thank you for your service to both of you. Again, the California Capitol Air Show. Right now, it's going to go from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock tonight. Then again, Saturday and Sunday, you can get tickets online, discounted today. So make sure you come out and support the military, and also check out this amazing show in the air. Back to you.
Great. Thanks, Dina. Video games are one of the